Welcome back. Sifu Singh with the Jeet Kune Do Athletic Association. Assisting me is Coach Clay Praka from Texas Jeet Kune Do. What we're going to do over here is show you a coordination drill using double sticks. There's three parts to this coordination drill. There's what's called heaven, all high, heaven and earth, high, low, high, and all low, which is earth, all low. This drill is going to be really good for you and your students to develop coordination. It's a fun drill that you can do in your class, and it'll teach you how to use your hands in coordination from the left and right sides of your brain, and also make you better in your offense and your defense, and also help you out on how to get more familiar with using sticks. It's very good. But first and foremost, before you even begin, you got to have eye protection. Whenever you're working with sticks, weapons of any kind, you got to protect the eyes. Protect yourself, protect the students, protect your school, protect the eyes. All right, let's take a look at the first part of this drill. Okay, the first part is going to be heaven. So I go forehand, backhand, backhand. Forehand, backhand, backhand. That's the first part. So see this side, forehand, backhand, backhand, forehand, backhand, backhand. All right? The second part is heaven and earth. It's forehand high, backhand low, backhand high. Forehand high, backhand low, backhand high. Forehand high, backhand low, backhand high, forehand high, backhand low, backhand high. So if you notice with all these drills, I hit and I chamber under the arm. I repeat the same angle with the back side. I go backhand to the other angle, and I come back from that side as well. When I go high, I chamber low, and I come back. High, I chamber underneath, low, and I chamber up here, and then I come back over here. When I go for all low, it's going to be forehand low, backhand low, forehand low, forehand low, backhand low, backhand low. Let's take a look at what that looks like with my partner. Okay, let's just do all heaven first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called heaven 6, 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's do heaven and earth, okay? Forehand high, backhand low, backhand high. Forehand high, backhand low, backhand high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's take a look at all earth, okay? So forehand low, backhand low, backhand low. Forehand low, backhand low, backhand low. Okay, and then we flow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then if you really want to stress your coordination, we're going to go heaven 6, heaven and earth 6, and then earth 6. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A lot of fun. It'll build your coordination, help you change your lines of attack. Go from forehand to backhand, the chambering. There's a lot in there. Break it down. Take your time. And as always, have fun.